How to use Glob to find files recursively. This is what I have. But I want to search the subfolders of src. Something like this would work. But this is obviously limited and clunky.
There are a couple of ways. pathlib.path.reglob. Use pathlib.path.reglob from the pathlib module, which was introduced in Python 3.5. glob.glob. If you don't want to use pathlib, use glob.glob. For cases where matching files beginning with a dot, like files in the current directory or hidden files on Unix-based system, use the os.walk solution below. os.walk. For older Python versions, use os.walk to recursively walk a directory and fnmatch.filter to match against a simple expression. This version should also be faster depending on how many files you have, as the pathlib module has a bit of overhead over os.walk.
Similar to other solutions, but using fnmatch.fnmatch instead of glob, since os.walk already listed the file names. Also, using a generator allows you to process each file as it is found, instead of finding all the files and then processing them.
I've modified the glob module to support *** for recursive globbing, e.g. This URL. Useful when you want to provide your users with the ability to use the *** syntax, and thus os.walk alone is not good enough.
Starting with Python 3.4, one can use the glob method of one of the path classes in the new pathlib module, which supports wildcards. For example, update. Starting with Python 3.5, the same syntax is also supported by glob.glob.
Followed by a synchron